Hi, and welcome to my brand new mini-series, Dollars and DynamoDB. In this mini-series, I'm going to discuss various tips and strategies on how to optimize cost in DynamoDB. The first video I'm going to be talking about in this series will be specifically on TTLs and how using TTLs can help you save massive amounts of money in your database costs, specifically on DynamoDB. I've spoken a lot about some businesses that actually saved hundreds of thousands of dollars and some that have lost thousands of dollars just due to TTLs in regards to DynamoDB, and how setting them at earlier stages could have saved them thousands of dollars. So let's get right into the AWS console, dive right in and see how we can work with TTLs in DynamoDB. Okay, so I'm in my AWS console in DynamoDB, and I've created a users table, and I've added some items to that table. So as you can see, I have 5 items here, and the goal with this is to add a TTL attribute to the items I want to have DynamoDB automatically delete from that table. For example, if users are not paying their membership and I may want to delete their item from the table, or for any other reasons, and I want to let DynamoDB handle automatic deletion of items to keep my table clean and to keep storage costs efficient, I'm going to set a TTL attribute to the item that I want. So for example, let's go in and set a user 105 with a TTL. So I'm going to go in here and add an attribute, so TTL, and I'm going to go in and put a value of a Unix value, which I can get from Unix timestamp website. Copy the current Unix value and put something in the future, maybe a few minutes from now. And I'm going to hit save and close. Now, I need to go in and enable TTL for this table so that DynamoDB knows which items to expire when that timestamp arrives. So we're going to go in and hit view table details button here, and we're going to go into additional settings here. And scrolling down, we'll see TTL, the TTL section here. We can click on turn on. And over here, we have to set the attribute name that we want TTL to be active on. So that was TTL. We just used that attribute name. And we can go in and turn on TTL here. And that's going to be active right away. And what happens now is that any item that is marked as TTL and has a value that has been passed, so something that's like a timestamp that has passed, it's going to get automatically deleted by DynamoDB. With small amounts of data, this may be insignificant, but at scale, you're saving a lot of money if you have millions of records or even hundreds of thousands of records that should have been deleted months ago. You're paying for this storage unnecessarily, right? And by having TTL automatically remove these items, you're keeping your storage cost to minimum, plus all your queries, they're going to be querying on less irrelevant record, which means faster and cheaper queries. So whether you're running a small app or massive workloads, TTL can help you reduce costs in DynamoDB and keep your tables running smoothly, more efficient, and cheaper. If you have more questions about TTL or DynamoDB, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and follow for more Dollars and DynamoDB tips, and I'll see you in the next video.